The scope of this module is to help the operator that is sometimes saddled with the responsibility of maintenance electrician duties. Sometimes the plant is out of calibration or stops altogether because of an electrical problem. Many times the problem can be cured most efficiently when a person on site understands how to use and read an electrical meter safely and communicate the problem and symptoms over the phone to a technical person directing the troubleshooting procedure. The goal of these electrical modules is to train the operator and other site maintenance personnel to troubleshoot and repair quickly and safely. The plant controls are made up of many sub-assemblies. The intention is not to fix the sub-assemblies, but to isolate the problem to a particular sub-assembly and replace it. Downtime is expensive. It is important to have spare sub-assemblies nearby. Fundamental to troubleshooting electrical problems is understanding the 3 sets of 3 and the 5 rules we shall discuss in detail throughout the electrical curriculum. Electricity is one of the most useful sources of energy known to man. It is easy to convey and manipulate, drives the most burdensome of tasks, and processes computer thinking at lightning speed in massive quantities. Electricity is often taken for granted until it stops working. Electrical malfunctions happen all too often at the hot mix plant, and when the plant facility shuts down, anxiety sets in. Plant operators clamor for ideas to fix or bypass the problem. And those who only understand electricity as magic can wind up doing risky things to themselves and the plant in order to repair the problem. Plants are best run when operators are electrically competent or have access to electrically and mechanically capable service support. It is not important that the operator become an engineer or electrician, but plant operators should understand basic electricity, electrical safety, test meter use, plant electrical circuitry, and techniques for troubleshooting and repair. The most important step in this process is communication. Know when to stop and get direction. The operator's ultimate goal is to troubleshoot and repair quickly and safely. Fundamental to troubleshooting electrical problems is understanding the 3 sets of 3. Set 1. Pressure, flow, and resistance, or volts, amps, and resistance. Set 2. Power supply, conductor, and load connected together around a circuit. Set 3. Series, parallel, and series parallel circuits.